My name is Bill Hefley. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I went to my undergraduate at Harding University as a biochemistry major. Then I went on to Vanderbilt Medical School. Came back here to Arkansas to complete my training, and been with the hospital since we opened. I focus on hip, knee, and shoulder surgery. I do, for all three joints, I do joint replacement and also do arthroscopy. As I said, I went to Vanderbilt Med School, and like all med students, you rotate through multiple different fields. As I rotated through each rotation, for a while I liked all of them. And I finally decided I wanted to be a surgeon, and I like using my hands. Growing up, I would work with my dad to build fences, and I was always building a go-kart or a bicycle built for two. I like to build things and do things, and I like using my hands. As time went by, I looked at the various surgical specialties, and orthopedics appealed to me. You operate on a wide range of patients of all ages, so you see a variety of problems. One of the unique things about being an orthopedic surgeon is you're just not lifelong managing a problem like a lot of medical issues, but you can actually fix it, and that appealed to me. And people are so grateful. Some of these people that need a joint replacement are just absolutely miserable. They can't sleep at night, can't go to work, can't play with the kids and grandkids, and just not having a good life. So, I get lots of nice cards and letters and thank you notes, and it's rewarding, I think, to get to work with good people here and get to help people, and people feel so much better. It makes my job fun.